Hello, how's everyone doing today? So, it's a nice day out. Figured it's time to get a little more work done on this now that it's not so difficult to get in and out of the tent there. So I cleaned up the carpet, vacuumed it all out, kind of brushed it to get the hair and stuff that was on it out. Put the seats in. This used to have a 60/40 seat in the back. This one I'm putting in does not have that. It is just a one bench seat. I know the 60/40 is nice if you're going to ride with like a third person putting something in the back, but I very rarely ever do that. And you always have like the jump seat in the front here, even though it's a manual, it could be a bit cumbersome, but I don't think I will ever need the 60/40 setup. So, and the one I got wasn't 60/40. So this had cloth seats in it originally, and they weren't in too bad a shape. I ended up selling them because I can't keep everything. So I sold those, and I have a set of leather seats. The ones that were in here were power, and I still have power bottoms and stuff, so I can, well, the brackets, the lower brackets, so I can take these seats off of the manual brackets and put them on the power brackets if I want. I don't necessarily need that because I mean I put it in one place and it basically stays there. The other vehicles and stuff, they're kind of they're manual, and I don't I don't see a need for the power personally because I never use it. So I'm gonna stick in this rear seat and put the front seats in, and then we'll actually I'm gonna hold off on the front seats. I gotta make sure the doors are adjusted, and then I can put this trim back on because of that one bolt that goes through there. They're pretty much adjusted now. I just got to kind of fine tune it, but I don't want to put these seats in and have it block that, so I can't get at it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And the seat belts all bolt down underneath. Ta-da! So we're gonna have 2 nuts on the front to hold the center console in, and then 4, which is 2 on the back side of each one, and then there's gonna be 4 bolts on each seat to hold those in. Get a little cleaning. Clean them up. I got a little deformation right there. I left this the center seat sitting on top of this for probably, I don't know, a year and a half. And I didn't realize it was as heavy as it is, but it kind of squished it down. It looks like it's coming back a little bit, but I'm just hoping that it didn't ruin the cushion, like right there. I mean, I guess we'll see. It's gonna kind of stink if it does, but I'll deal with it if it happens. So I'm gonna put the rest of the hardware in this, and then this will be done. So seats will be in. I gotta finish putting that trim up there, and yeah, then the interior should be done. So that's that with the matching foggy fenders. I'm hoping I can kind of buff that out. Looks like I might be able to. Oops. Sorry. I think I'm able to buff that out for now. I mean, this is basically going to be the end of it for the first stage. After I have new fenders already. They're in a box in the back of the bed. I don't have doors. So I'm going to get this together like this, buff this out, try to get it looking as best I can, and then over time I am going to change the doors, and I'm going to change the fenders, and I'll probably do the hood too. Not that it's all that bad, but I got some rust bubbling right there, and that's really actually about it. But I mean, figure while I do it, I'll get a hood too, and then it will be all done. So I'm gonna put the screws and stuff in for this, and then we gotta get the bumper on. I'm gonna do all the little bit of adjusting as best I can. It's kind of a pain to adjust all this because, like, the doors, basically I just kind of started at the back and just sort of got my gaps going forward. This will all be adjusted out. I'm gonna have to pull this out a little bit to get that to line up. Doesn't look like it's gonna just line up. Actually, the hood might need to be adjusted too. I got some adjustment in that also. And then we'll be done for now. All right, so this is probably the end of the cab swap series. Been taking a while to finish it because you know, weather and stuff, and money can be a factor. But anyway, this is what it looks like now. If you're wondering how I got it to look like this, I will have a video on that too. I'll be following this one. So this is what it looks like now. These are the doors that were on it originally. They were all cloudy and faded. This has been, well, cleaned up a bit, I'd say. So just gotta go get a signed VIN and should be driving it. Hopefully it'll pass inspection. Let's see why it wouldn't. So everybody who followed along, I thank you, and hope you have a nice day.